Hello, welcome back to Capstone 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips. This video gives the details guaranteed for you to win round 5. Of course, if you watch the video from round 1 to 4, I think you can win round 5, 6, 7, 8 very easy because you learn everything after 4 rounds. But I still record this video for you to make sure that you understand the whole process, right? And repeat the winning guaranteed for you to memorize to make sure you win on round 5, 6, 7, 8 with top results and do not make any mistakes. I show you the details now. So round 5, you see you have 8 products now, very nice product and selling very well. You also have top sale and top profit in all the 5 segments I show you. Traditional, low end, high end, performance side. Again, if you watch a video from round 4, 1 to 4, you understand the mode, right? You see the industry here, right? The market, the traditional, nearly 30% of market share, right? And you have the top selling here, top selling product here, and also another going up very fast, 2 product top selling, and low end, so we have top selling product here, right? And another product going up here will be top 2, and high end we have good selling product and performance we have the top here, right? Performance, another products are going up very fast, and size we also have the top selling product. So we have very good product because we have invested in round 1 and round 2 and 3. So now you see that if you have the right strategy, long-term strategy, it is easy for you for the later rounds. Round 1, 2 and 3 for investment, and from round 5, 6, 7, 8 is totally easy. We update the product, right? It's easy now, just update the product. Low end we don't need to update. High end now always 1 round behind the requirement, but we can improve that, and this for the performance is easy at the ideal spot. And for the size, 7.5 and 5.6 for our 5. Low end don't need traditional, we update 8.5, 11.5, and this for the performance is easy, ideal spot. And now we check the launching date. Around 5, 6, 7, 8 is so easy. You just keep update the product and then it will be fine. This one a little bit longer than expected, but it's okay, it will be okay. After we adjust, it will be okay. And for the marketing, just reduce the price 50 cents. Okay, best price, I just show you best price and still selling the best, right? And now we go to calculator. We keep the strong promotion and sale to make sure they get 100% customer awareness and accessibilities. And now we calculate the sales forecast here, right? The sales forecast here. I show you again. Check the production, and then we have unit we show here last round, and then inventory. We use this number to calculate the sales forecast, right? If you want fast, you can use the Excel file like I'm showing you on the screen, and then you can calculate that much faster, right? We use number and calculate the sales forecast. This one we can increase more because you see inventory is 0, we can increase more for forecast. And now we input into the number for the sales forecast for the rounds forecast here, right? 4618. That's the demand. We can also need to adjust that based on our capacity of production. And also we have some signal. Okay, and now we set for production. Again, use the sales forecast, deduct inventory. Again, do not ever copy the number on the screen and paste into the game. I show you the strategy, show you the method and the effectiveness of the method. The right strategy is a good vision for you to look at to ahead on the rounds or when you make the strategy with your game. But you need to use the number from your game. Do not copy the number on screen and paste into the game. You learn, right? You update automation now to 5, round 5 to 5. This is good for traditional, for low end, and this we increase to 6 for high end performance and size, right? And now some products have higher demand than our production capacity, so we need to buy capacity for that first. This one maybe they need more, right? So 200 is okay, 200 is okay, 300 is okay, more than that, 400 is okay, right? And this one we buy 200, this one 200, this one 200, or 300, okay? This should be 300. If we have enough funds for that, we need to check here the total budget here. So we can increase more. This one okay, this one we can 500, this one 300. Okay, and we check the budget if we have enough. Okay, we have enough, so now we adjust this one 1,200, 1,400, and this one 1,600. This one, next round we can produce more. And this is the max we can produce this round. And we check the HR 5,080 hours if you have that, and finance this round 4, right? You see we have this budget, you can pay some dividend right here, and also short term to make sure we avoid emergency loan. And 45, this is the safest decision, right? You can keep, you see that you keep high amount to make sure we avoid emergency loan. And now we see the performer income compared with last round 269 and 6. Now we have 438 and 48. Is totally different from round 5, right? Totally different from round 5. Very high result. So this is actual result of round 5. 340, much higher than all the 5 competitors. You see 23 million of profit, much higher than all competitors. So that's, and also you get 31% of market share. The stock price you have, you see the stock price here, much higher than competitor, and started going up like you see on the chart, right? Going up here, up here, up here, very fast. We are the first one. So round 5 is finally we have invested in round 1, 2, 3, and round 4 turn around 5, 6, 7, 8. We lead the game with top 7 top profit. You see the result, very high sale profit, higher than all the competitors, and the stock price going up like you see on the screen as the plan. Because we have invested in round 1 to 3 with the best results. If you have any question, you just send the email to mbahelptodone@gmail.com. And again, I say that many times, you need to look at this slide to understand what you need to learn to do after each round. I show you everything in each video, right? What decision to make, what report to read, what parts of the report is more important than the other parts, how to update production, how to set prices, how to calculate the sale forecast, how to set decision for production, how to set decision for HR, finance, TQM. So if you still have questions, send the email to wincapsim@gmail.com, or get the free support for all the 8 rounds. You send the email and question through WhatsApp 24/7. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success. Remember to check the other video for the winning guide and tips. More winning guide.